This module explains how to add RS-232, also known as serial devices, in Integration Designer APEX. Let's begin. After the master processor, rooms, and controllers are added to the project file, the next step is adding source devices. Source devices are drivers, Z-Wave devices, infrared, or RS-232 devices. It doesn't matter what order you follow when adding your source devices if you place them correctly and select the correct options when adding them to the system file. To add an RS-232 device, select the RS-232 tab in the Add Workspace window. Next, you must decide if the RS-232 device should reside in the global area or an individual room. Generally, devices are placed in global if they are shared by more than one room, making them available on every global or room controller. In turn, serial devices should be added to specific rooms if user interfaces are required only for controllers in that room and controllers in the global area. In this example, we'll place an RTI CP1650 amplifier in the family room. Select the family room on the left side of the workspace window. The library will default to the system library, but you may also select an alternate RS-232 library file from the drop-down list. As you begin to type the name RTI CP1650, APEX will drill down to that device. You may also manually scroll to the source device. We will select and highlight the RTI amplifier CP1650. Make sure the family room is selected, and then click Next. The window will now display details of the RS-232 device on the top left, and will allow you to select which serial output port on the control processor that the RS-232 commands will route through. Since the device we're adding is an audio source, we'll check the box labeled Set as Room Audio Source, and APEX will populate the volume for that source on all controllers. Typically, devices such as AVRs, amplifiers, and televisions control the room volume. On the bottom part of the screen, you may rename the device if you like. If the default description is cumbersome, use naming conventions that are short but make sense. Since it's not currently possible to add device pages for RS-232 devices, no options to do so will display on the right side of the window. Next, click Add Device, and that device will be added to the system tree. Although pages do not exist in the system file, all the serial commands are available when programming, and you can add pages manually for that device. Thank you for watching.